If you could create a new social media platform that combines the best features from your favorites, what would it look like and what would you call it? Connect. So I would call it Connect, my social media platform. I would have videos like the reels from Facebook and Instagram. But at the same time, it would also have text like in Twitter. But this time, I would be employing AIs. So it's going to be customized based on what you want. So it's going to be my algorithm. So it's either you choose if you want text for the day or pictures for the day or videos for the day. So you don't have to swipe anything. So it's going to be when you start Connect. And it will allow you to block people without them knowing or without them having an idea. It would also allow you to, for safety, I would say. And this is going to be safe for kids. So I guess that's going to be the main difference. So get Connect once I have it.
So first, I do like, there's a lot of platforms. Like I'd say first, the TikTok and YouTube algorithm, it's really good right now. I mean, anything that gives good organic reach for potential exposure for people beyond your circle or beyond your following, I think that's good. Gives everyone kind of equal opportunity to be seen. I love that the YouTube Shorts and TikTok algorithm right now. I love YouTube's monetization strategy. Definitely go with like the 55-45 split in terms of, because then it would encourage people to create on the platform. I would want to grow it first. I would probably keep the platform short first. It can be like at 15 seconds. I think that was a pretty good way to go for a lot of these platforms. Snapchat did it well. Vine even shorter at 6 seconds, 7 seconds. I recall. What else is there? TikTok or Musical.ly or TikTok started at 15 seconds before they extended to the full 30 seconds, 1 minute, 3 minutes, 10 minutes. I do like, since it would be a new platform, it would make sense to give a low bar of entry for people to start watching and engaging. The whole blue checkmark thing, I think I would give that away immediately, because to verify it, not so much like in terms of status, but to verify that it's a person, because there's a lot of people who like to hide behind profiles. I'd like to verify the individual immediately in regards to like, you have to have a photo ID and all this other stuff, and then to prove that it's a real person, so that way they get the blue check mark. It's a real individual, and they can't go out on there and create multiple anonymous profiles. I think that would minimize online bullying, because it's different when you have a mask versus you actually saying it from yourself. But people on all these social platforms still talk massive shit anyways, regardless if it's their real face or not. But I feel like there's something about like verifying that you're a real person that will minimize a lot of bots and fake accounts on there. Would encourage both like vertical and horizontal video. What would I call it? I mean, definitely focus a lot more on creators, and that looks like in so many different ways, but definitely more of a visual social media platform, no different from like Snapchat, TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. But those are kind of like some of my favorite features, and probably a very, very robust advertising system, because I like, even though it's 2023 right now, I still really enjoy Facebook ads. I tried TikTok ads. Right now it's a little bit expensive for some of our clients. If you're familiar with the Facebook ad manager, TikTok ad manager will feel right at home, though it feels a little clunky sometimes. Yeah, those are some of the best features from other platforms, but I would definitely like to incorporate other like AI features, especially for a business. I'd like for it to be able to create multiple variations immediately without having to go through a very long pipeline. Oh, and another feature that I would probably like to add is all posts are only last like 24 hours, like a story. So it would essentially be like Snapchat with all this other stuff that you can do with it. It creates a sense of like scarcity. Like if you missed something, then tough luck and all that stuff. As I'm thinking about it, since it is I'm trying to have this platform be around the creator economy, which is why I like the idea of monetizing it. But even like, is those who are businesses and whatnot, creating profiles on this, I'd like for it to do what LinkedIn does and share opportunities if you're hiring. So I just feel like that would be a cool addition on top of it. What I would name it, I don't know what I would name it, to be honest. Shit. I named it a lot of my stuff off just like silly things. So I honestly don't know what I would name it. I would probably have to workshop that and figure out what I would name it. Chunks. I don't know. Phoenix. But yeah, that's what I would do. Those are the features that I would like of all other platforms. So things like that. Oh.